Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to do the lefty version of the two-color line cycle. So here's how you start if you're a lefty. You can start from the right side. You go 3, 3, then you go to the last 3. Then you come back to where you started, you take it down, and you take this one down with both hands. Now, this is very, very important. Now, because this is a cycle, take it down with one hand. So then you come, make the 6. Now you come and make the 3. Now, I hope you learn this very quickly. Now, so what you do is, this is very tricky, by the way. So you slide this down. So I'll do that again. So you slide that down, and at the same time as you're sliding that down like that, you want to slide this down. So the motion should look like this. So you should have this so far. Then you take the 3 and you put it on the singular one. Then you take these 2 and you slide it down on here. Then you take these top 3 and you put them down here. Now, you don't take this cup, but you take this cup and you put it on top of this. Then you take these ones and you put them on top of the singular one. Then you take the ones in your left hand and you put them on top. Now, you can either take it like this way or this way. It doesn't matter which way you do it. I prefer this way. So you go right, left, right, left, right, left, left. Then you, because you're like this or like this, if you're like this, you knock corners like this. And if you're doing it this way, you knock corners like this. So, because I do it this way, I knock corners like this. And you always have to knock the opposite corner. So then you slide that down, and you slide that down on top of that. Now, I'll be demonstrating what I just did, but in my own speed. So if you can't see this clearly, that time was 17.27. And by the way, if you ever feel that I'm ever going to fasten my videos, you can always slow them down and watch them as slow as you want. So bye, that's how you do the two-colored line cycle. I hope you have a nice day.